Be careful with your gum. You never know where a big bubble might take you. This bubblegum store is having a big sale, and here are our loyal customers. Candy Girl Laura, Edgy Blonde Meg, and experienced gamer Alex. Thanks! It turns out today is not just any old day. All customers get an invite to the annual Bubblegum Challenge with each purchase. Yay! We're a team! May the best chewer win! We have to tie a piece of gum into a knot. In TikTok, we trust. Can you pull it off? You can only use your tongue. Not everyone can complete this task on the first try. This challenge is easy as pie. I know a secret method. It's called cheating. Use your hands, and your knot is done. Hey, that's unfair. We are having a lottery. Who can guess where the gum is? You call this a lottery? Here, try playing a real game. Here are 3 different kinds of gum. 2 of them taste disgusting. You have to pretend that you got a regular one. Melt 3 bowls of gum in a microwave. Add wasabi to one, citric acid to the second, and don't add anything to the third one. Laura got a very sour gum, and Alex's is super spicy. And only Meg lucked out. Her gum is sweet. Help! I'm dying! Wake up! This is a new bubblegum challenge task. Spend your whole day with a bubble. Who will win this round? I'm ready to start this day. I'll pop in some gum and get started. Laura blows up her bubble. And she pops it at breakfast right away. What a bummer! Alex is holding up pretty well. He even managed to shave without popping the bubble. We wonder how he will drink his coffee. But there's a way out. A straw! Alex is a straight-A college student. He doesn't talk during his classes, but he's still forced to leave the classroom. Why? At least he won! Megan doesn't leave her gum even when she's sleeping. A bubble? Easy! Or not. Fine, I'd rather sleep anyway. Alex is a ball toss champion. And no one can defeat him. Look, I can even toss my gum with my eyes closed. Whoops! Hey, buddy, look before you throw. Hang on! No violence on this channel. Just play the game with us. Who can get a ball into the cups with gum? The winner gets to chew all the gum. The game is starting. All the players are doing very well. Tin is tossing without looking first. Now that's a real champion. but Alex is pretty good too. And now turn over the cups, and you will know who chewed this gum before it got into the cups. Blech. Ew! I don't want to chew on that! Only Tin is lucky. This was his favorite actress. Tin wins this round. Ew! Someone forgot to brush their teeth. Thank goodness mint gum exists. Here, have some. And have some water. Ah, so refreshing. Actually, this is a perfect idea for a challenge. We need a lot of mint gum and cold water. We dare you to chew on a pile of mint gum, chase it with cold water, and not change your facial expression. Contestant number 1 is barely handling this mint attack. Contestant number 2 doesn't mind it because he has jaws of steel. And contestant number 3 feels the full power of the mint. Oh no! Help! Too minty! One down! Meg, stay strong! Whoa! I want to blow a giant bubble too! Let's have some fun with this round bubble gum. Round 1. Who can fit more gum in their mouth? Wow! It looks like our contestants' mouths are made out of rubber. They can stretch to twice their size. This is unbelievable! Guys, be careful! Don't choke! Second round! Who can chew all the gum in their mouth fastest? Come on, guys! Warm up your jaws! Chew faster! Attention, everyone! Round 3! We are blowing the biggest bubbles! Our lungs are working hard. We need to relax and focus. Wow! It looks like one contestant went a little overboard. Her bubble is so big that it takes her to the sky. Bye! Say hi to the clouds for us. Awesome! Are you tired of chewing? Phew! I think I'm all out of saliva. I can't do it anymore. Girls, your Bubble Man brought a new game. Everyone gets a card with a body part. And a bubblegum drawing you have to attach to it. Cheek, forehead, and arm. I'm gonna need a professional. Ciao, kids. Let's see what we have here. A spider on a forehead? Easy! Thank goodness I'm not afraid of spiders! And I'll have a nice cheek design! Done! We are so beautiful! By the way, how is Alex doing over there? Alex decided to take serious measures and went to a tattoo salon. I want to get a whole arm of temporary tattoos! What a weird client! But our tattoo artist is a pro! After 5 minutes, Alex's whole arm is tattooed!
Yeah!
Girls, do you like my manly arm? It can't compare to our cheeks and forehead. Hi guys! Check out this rainbow bubble I made out of gum! Sprinkle a balloon with rubbing alcohol and coat it with rainbow shades of acrylic paint. Whoa! How did you do that? Is it real? Tell us your secret! Come on, try it! I bet you can't blow a bubble this big! No matter how hard they blow, they can't do it! It's all because you were using the wrong gum. You need special rainbow-flavored bubble gum. Add rainbow shades of food coloring to white gum. Join the gums into a strip so it looks like a rainbow. Here! Here, try it with my gum. Ew! Mine looks disgusting. That's not a bubble at all. What did you give me? Hey, hold on. You tricked us. There was no bubble. It was just a balloon. Stop playing video games. We should play a real game. I dare you to chew on an eye, a tooth, and I'm not eating that. Relax, it's just gum. Knead out some bubble gum and add brown food coloring to it. Make a roll with thin ends and wrap it up. Are you sure? It doesn't look pretty. It really is gum. And I got a tooth. I wonder how hard it is. Shape a bubble gum into a tooth. Cut the edge with scissors. Shape roots. Press in a hollow with a modeling tool. Color the tooth with food coloring and food markers. Wow! This soft tooth isn't dangerous! My actual teeth will be able to chew on it! What a nice eye! I'll give it a try! Shape white gum into a ball. Add an iris and a pupil with food markers. Draw veins and blood vessels with a red food marker. Apply corn syrup to the pupil as a highlight. These were the weirdest gums we have ever tried. Do you want to try my brown present, girls? Well, we'll never forget this challenge! Did you like our bubblegum challenge? Then comment below what contest you'd like to take part in. Tie gum into a knot, chew on an eye, or blow a rainbow bubble. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious challenges from Troom.